Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will teach you guys how to make a water rocket. So, here's what you will need. You will need a 2-liter water bottle like this, or a 1-liter water bottle. I will use this 2-liter water bottle. You will also need some tape, and you will need 2 rocket fins that you will attach to your rocket. They should be just about 3 inches lengthwise, going like this, and just about 2 inches like this. You can make it a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller. It won't make too much of a difference. Okay, so I'm going to connect the fins to my rocket. So all you do is you take some tape, put it on this edge of the fin, so it covers the whole entire edge like this, and stick it on, not really down here, but more like here, so it lines up well. So just put it on, and then just get one more piece of tape, line up and put it on the other side. This will help keep it flat and help keep it balanced. And if you have a little extra tape, just bend it around the corner. And there you go, you added a rocket fin. So now let's add the second. Okay, and there you go. I added 2 fins. You could add 3, 4 fins. You at least need 2, that way it's balanced. But if you add more fins, just spread them evenly apart. Okay. Now, I would suggest lining the fins with tape. So just like I did here, just start lining it with tape. And once you did one fin, do the other one too. So, now you guys could decorate your rocket or color. I'm not gonna, but it's totally your choice. So, once you guys are done with that, you guys basically made a water rocket. When launching a rocket, I recommend using a water rocket launching kit. My kit comes with 3 fins that wrap around the base of the rocket, which would be this, and helps keep it up when you're launching it. It also comes with a pump and a tube that would attach here. I will leave the link for that kit in the description. So, I recommend filling your rocket just about 1/3 of the way with the water. And as I talked about earlier in the video, here is my water rocket launching kit. It has 3 fins I talked about, and it has the tube that connects to the pump. So, now, my assistant here will launch the rocket for me. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And remember, these rockets are fueled by brain power.